Hey, in this lesson we'll be learning how to turn your face into Shrek. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, this is my starting image. So this is my face and this is what I'll be using to turn myself into Shrek. So first, what you need to do is you need to select the pen tool and then make yourself bald, like make all of your hair just bald. So what I'm actually gonna do is just select a part of my face like right here, and then I'm just gonna move it up and scale it. So I'll catch you back after I'm done with that. Now that you can see we have made the selection, now we need to actually make the selection by right clicking and making the selection. Just like that. And now I'll just move it and scale it, and I'll catch you back after I'm done with making my head bald. Now before we make our head bald, let's hide the layer which we made the selection, and first let's just cut the part out of just me. So how am I gonna do that? I'm actually gonna use the quick selection tool, and I'm gonna use that to make a selection of myself. So something like, if I select this, then I can actually make a selection of myself just like that. So I'll catch you back after I have removed the background and changed the color of the background. Now that you can see we have made a selection of our subject and also made a background color, now what we need to do is we need to add a clipping mask. So the clipping mask is used for instead of manually positioning each of these vertices, clipping mask will do that automatically for us. So that's the good thing. So let's click Alt and just you need to go over here and click Alt right there, and then you will get this small drop down. Just click just like that, and now you can see it has matched the vertices. Yeah. And now after that, what you need to do is now you need to create a new mask layer and mask the unnecessary part of using the brush tool. So I'll catch you back after I'm done with that. Now that you can see we have made our head bald, now it's actually time to erase our ears, because Shrek doesn't have ears. He has different types of ears. So for that, I'm going to use the eraser tool, select this layer, and after my photo layer, and I'm going to remove both of these ears. Now first what we need to do is, after we're done with the removing the ears, we actually need to not remove the eyes, we need to cut the eyes out, make it into a new layer, because we're going to change it a bit later. So I'll catch you back after I'm done making the eyes in a new layer. And also we need to do the same thing with the nose. Now that you can see we have added the 3 of the eyes, now let's just hide them, and we need to group them to make it organized. So let's make these eyes and nose. And after that, now what we need to do is now we need to liquefy it, so that we can adjust this, make the face a bit different, because that's how Shrek looks like. So now let's do the liquid. Let's make this cheek a bit thicker like Shrek. Yeah. Now it's time to add those eyes that we hid, which is right here. So let's unhide these, and now what we need to do is let's select these eyes and let's just adjust them. Let's see how his nose should be, like that. Maybe now that you can see we have added the nose and all, now we just need to add the color for it. So let's do that. So right click, convert to smart object, hue and saturation, just like that, and then we can use this to change the color. Now before we do that, we need to actually take a mask of the face. Now that you can see we have added the color, and also now one last step is that we need to add the ears that Shrek has. So let's add that. So now that you can see, we have made Shrek. So this is how Shrek looks right now. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, subscribe to our classes and also subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.